Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you part 2 on how to finish up this dress. So I'm done with the making of the dress and this is what I have. This is the video of the dress I already made on the screen. So I have to pull you guys through on how I made this dress. So this is for the back. I'll have to do the facing. I'm using bias for the back of the facing. So I'll just take it to my machine and then sew. This is my bias that I have. So I'm done biasing the back of the dress and this is how it looks. You see, so for the front, this is the front. I've also gone ahead and biased the front. So this is how the front looks. You see how neat it is. I've also gone ahead and ironed it out, guys. So the next thing now is to join the two shoulders. This is the two shoulders of the dress. I'll have to join it. Yeah. And before then, I've also gone ahead and marked my darts. I've put in my darts. I will show you guys on the video. This is the shoulder. Join the two shoulders together. Front facing front. Yeah. Here's the shoulder. So this is how it looks after joining the shoulder, guys. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I've gone ahead and put in my darts. This is my dart. I'm trying to show you guys. I wasn't able to get the clip on the videos, but this is my darts. Yeah, the next thing is I'll go and shape my dress. First of all, this is the back and this is the shoulder. So the next thing we have to do is to draw our ruffle. So I've gone ahead to match the ruffle on the sewing machine. So this is me trying to drag the gathers. So you just drag it like so. So I've gone ahead, after dragging the gathers, I've gone ahead to join it to the down of my material that I've already shaped. So the next thing is to put our zip. I'll have to pin it down all through to make sure that the lines are equal. Yeah, this is me trying to align the gathers I drew to be equal with each other. So just make sure you pin it down all through. So measure from the neck to where you want your zip to be. So for my zip, I will want it to be at length 18. So I measured from 1 to 18. Then from that 18, I'll just take it to my machine and sew it down all through. So this is me showing you guys what I'm going to do. So after sewing it, this is what I have. I've gone ahead to join the ruffle and the zip, and I'm trying to video it so clear for you guys. This is what I have. So this is the zipper area, guys. Look how neat it is. My zip is so close that you can't even see the way I sewed the zip to the material. So if you are sewing, make sure that your zip is so close to give it that nice look at the back. So the next thing now is to go to join our shoulders. I'll just go to my sewing machine and join the armhole, the sleeve length I mean. So the next video is the finishing points. At this stage, we are through with the sewing, guys. So if you know you're just joining us for the first time, make sure to subscribe, like and share. So this is the video that we have after the sewing. It's looking demure, guys. Just take a look. Bye.